How to import reviews from Amazon to Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can import reviews from Amazon onto your Shopify store. Now, this can be a great way for you to dropship products, especially if you have similar suppliers to the ones that are present on Amazon. Additionally, if you are doing dropshipping directly with Amazon, this can be great because you don't have to establish trust you don't have to establish trust by getting the first few reviews. Instead, when you're launching your store, you already have those reviews that were imported from Amazon. And this is the great part about using Amazon as your supplier. They have such a wide variety of products. And when you are doing, review imports, you're going to be able to not only import text reviews, but you can also import images. So your customers that are visiting on your website are going to be able to see the social evidence that your brand is a good brand. So let's get started. Now, for this, we're going to first install a plugin onto our Shopify store. So simply head on over into Shopify and then click on settings on the bottom left. Then you're going to click on apps and sales channels and then click on Shopify App Store. Once you click on Shopify App Store, you're going to search for Amazon reviews. Now, once you search for Amazon reviews, there are quite a few different applications available, including things like Easy Amazon Reviews Importer, the Amazon Reviews by Appio, and Reputon Amazon Reviews. Now, all three of these work pretty well, so you can use either of these tools. It really depends on what type of tools specifically that you're looking for. So all of these have a free plan available. So we have 50 order review request emails, 10 reviews display slot per product. So we can add 10 reviews from Amazon onto our Shopify store per product with the free plan of Amazon Reviews by Appio. Then if you take a look at the Easy Amazon Importer, we have 20 reviews per product. Then after that, we have a Reputon, and Reputon allows us full access available for stores only under development. You would have to upgrade to their $6 plan if you are looking to launch this on the live version of your store. Then you have the Trusto product reviews application, where on the free plan, you can import 20 reviews per product. So you guys can see that all of them are pretty similar. They're not too different. So we're going to go on ahead and we're going to be using the Trust2 application. So simply click on install over here. And once you click on install, this will open up a new tab. And in your new tab, you're going to be able to install once more. And this will allow access to the application to be integrated into your Shopify dashboard. Then you can pin this to your left for easier access. And now we're going to wait for the Trust2 Reviews widget. So we're going to click on next step over here. Then you're going to enter what type of business are you operating. Then you have the app embed. Simply click on go to enable over here. And once you click on go to enable, the app will be enabled on the top left. And then you can click on save on the top right, and that's all you have to do. Once you do that, you can go back into your original tab and set up the review widget. So over here, we have to activate the review widget. We can choose the style of review widget that we want as well. So you can choose your layout to be either streamlined or the professional layout. Then you can choose the star style if you want stars, diamonds, hearts, fire emojis, dress emojis. It really depends. I'm going to use standard stars. Then I want to display my reviews with highest rating. So I want highest ratings to be on top. Then after that, we can choose if we want to include the write a review button, if you want to allow people to add photos, and then a rating filter as well. Below that, you can customize the coloring of the widget as well as the review area. So you guys can see on the right, we have a preview. And if you want it to be in the form of a list, in the form of a grid like this, or split up like this. So I want it to be in the form of a list, and then we have the basic display function, and then your verified badge. After that, you can also upload a avatar for your store, as well as colors that you want to use, general settings, and more. Once completed, click on save on the top right. And once you click on save, your widget can now be installed. Now, before I do that, I'm going to directly import my reviews, and we're just going to click on import reviews on the left. Now, once we do that, we can see all of our products. So I have this particular product, the linen shirt, and you have import from Amazon over here. We can also import from AliExpress, but you're going to click on this AM icon on the right. And once you do that, you will see the Amazon product link. So simply open up the product that you are selling, open up the listing from Amazon from where you want to import your reviews from. Now, this is really important. You always want to use a product listing from Amazon that has good reviews. So always opt for something that has like 4-star reviews or something like that, because when you have a product with really nice reviews, you're going to be able to get that product to, be more helpful for your site. I'm going to copy this link over here. That's all you have to do. Go back into your store and then paste in the link. From there, you can choose the number of imports you want. And then once you do that, you can confirm that you have the permission to use them. And then from here, you can proceed with your free trial. You can start a 3-day free trial, or you can proceed with one of their discounted packages. So the basic plan currently has 80% off, where a total of $6 is going to be charged for the first 3 months. You only have to pay $6 for 3 months, and you get unlimited reviews, Google support, and much, much more. So over here, if you want, you can even scroll down and proceed with the free version. If you scroll down, you will see your discount code redemption, you have the free version, and this is our current plan over here. So we're gonna proceed. 50 order requests, so 20 reviews per product. Yeah. We're gonna proceed with our 3-day free trial over here to import our reviews. And then from here, we can click on approve on our billing cycle. Once you click on approve on your billing cycle, now your reviews will be imported. So once this has been completed, your review request will be sent out. I'm going to click on import reviews once more. Click on import from Amazon, paste in and import the reviews like so. And you guys will see the status. Currently, it is importing. And one thing to note is that you do have to activate the review widget on your store. So go into online store on the left, click on customize. Once you click on customize, you can open up your products. So simply click on the top and open up a product. And I'm going to change this to the linen shirt. From here, you're going to go ahead and click on, I'm going to remove these extra sections from here like so. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on add section, click on apps, and then you're going to add the review widget over here. Once you add your review widget, you can choose to place it like so, and you guys can see my reviews have been imported for the product. I can click on save on the top right, and just like that, our Amazon reviews have been imported to Shopify. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.